Quick, easy, and super delicious. This one pot chicken and vegetable stir fry is worth trying because it turns out absolutely amazing, and it's very easy to prepare. It's loaded with lots of proteins and vegetables since I'm using chicken and lots of vegetables. So definitely it's going to be worth trying. Yum. The best part about this recipe is that you can serve over some rice, some noodles, or even enjoy the chicken just as it is, and it's going to be very delicious. So grab yourself the ingredients listed in the description box and let's make this one pot delicious chicken and vegetable stir fry. To make this delicious and flavorful one pot chicken and vegetable stir fry, I'm going to be specifically using chicken breast. I already have my chicken breast over here, which I've chopped up into bite-sized pieces, ready for my one pot chicken and vegetable stir fry. So to my bowl or into your bowl, you're going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. To make your chicken very flavorful, you're going to be using a couple of spices, that is paprika, garlic powder, ground ginger, black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, which is optional, and some mustard seeds. So I'm going to add the spices into my bowl. Then I'm going to mix up my chicken breast together with the spices and the cornstarch until fully combined. The spices that I've added to my chicken are very basic. For example, paprika is going to add in a very nice color. Garlic and ginger powder are going to make the chicken very flavorful. The mustard seeds are going to add in some nice flavor, which is very delicious. Hope you have some mustard seeds. And also the cayenne powder is going to add in a kick of spiciness. So once the chicken is fully combined with the spices, you're going to let the chicken marinate for at least 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. And if you have time, let the chicken marinate overnight in your fridge, and it's going to turn out so delicious. After 15 minutes, you're going to move over to your stovetop and place a non-stick frying pan or a cast iron pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then you're going to be frying your chicken or searing your chicken so that it can have very lovely golden brown color on the outside. The cornstarch is going to help the chicken get that color, so don't skip on the cornstarch. So I'm going to spread the oil in my pan, and once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in my chicken. Cook your chicken for 4 to 5 minutes while flipping so that it can get that lovely golden brown color and also cook on all sides. Meanwhile, we're going to be preparing your fresh ingredients that you're going to be adding to our chicken stir fry. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using some broccoli and cauliflower. Also, I have some carrots over here, some red capsicum, onions, and green capsicum. Also, I have a leftover eggplant over here, which I'm going to be peeling and adding into the recipe as well. You can add in any vegetables that you have in the fridge because the recipe is very versatile. So I'm going to check on my chicken and flip, and wow. You can see the chicken has seared on the bottom side. So now I'm going to flip so that it can sear on the other side over medium-high flame. While your chicken is cooking, you're going to add in some salt to season. So I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Toss the chicken so that it can absorb the salt while cooking. And I specifically love using chicken breast for this recipe because it stands out very juicy and tender, and it's always the best. So if you don't have chicken breast, you can use maybe chicken thighs that are deboned, or even a whole chicken if you're making for your entire family, and make this delicious one pot chicken and vegetable stir fry. Yeah. It's been around 4 minutes cooking my chicken, and it's looking very delicious. So I have a whole minute to cook my chicken. So I'm going to pick a bowl and a slotted spoon to transfer my chicken into my bowl so that I can stir fry my veggies. I'm a huge lover of chicken and I always get excited when I'm making chicken. Toss the chicken a little bit and it's turning out amazing. After 5 minutes, you're going to transfer your chicken into your bowl. Oh my, this is looking very tasty. Let me place this aside. Once done, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of cooking oil into the same pan that I used to make my chicken, because it's full of flavor and little bits of chicken, that is. Add in my onion. And then I'm going to saute, or you're going to saute your onions for around a minute until it gets a very nice light golden brown color. Don't overdo the color, that is getting the golden brown color, because it's not going to look very good. Once you notice that light golden brown color on your onions, you're going to add in your carrots, because they take a while to cook. Cook the carrots for at least 30 seconds. Check on your carrots after 30 seconds. Then you're going to be adding in the rest of the vegetables. That is broccoli, green capsicum, the red capsicum, and your eggplant. Using our spatula, you're going to toss the vegetables in the pan. Then you're going to add in some light soy sauce for some umami. Stir in. Reduce the flames to medium-low, and then cook the vegetables for at least 2 minutes. Add a splash of water if you notice that your pan is drying up. This will help the vegetables to cook. I'm using light soy sauce for this recipe because it has less sodium. Remember, I added in some salt to my chicken over here, which is looking very delicious. So the soy sauce also, as I've said, is going to add in a very nice umami flavor to the chicken stir fry. I'm already tempted to try out my chicken, so I'm going to give the chicken a try. So good. The chicken is soft, it's tender, it's not overcooked, and it has very nice flavors. Yeah. Oh yes, so good. After about 2 minutes, this is how my vegetables are looking, and they're looking very delicious. Toss the veggies a little bit. As you can see, everything has softened up. So I'm going to add back my chicken into the pan together with the chicken juices. Then you're going to use a spatula and mix in the chicken and vegetables until fully combined. Oh yeah, this is going to be very delicious. This one pot chicken and vegetable stir fry is for my dinner, and it's looking very perfect and delicious. So I'm going to check the seasoning just to make sure everything is well seasoned and it's just perfect. Avoid overcooking the vegetables and the chicken. So once everything is fully combined, you're going to put out the flames, and then you're going to serve for your family, and everyone is going to enjoy each and every bite. So if you're feeling lazy, this is the recipe for you, because as you've seen, it has taken me around 15 minutes to prep and cook my chicken, and it has been very fast. So the chicken has turned out amazing as always, and it's going to be a hit once you try out the recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing chicken recipe.